Hi everyone, it's David here, RF Shop. In my previous video I presented the classic out there kit or the classic caravan kit, and in the demonstration I used my absolutely fabulous pink caravan to show how you can install the MIMO-3, in this case the MIMO-3 version 12 or MIMO-3 12 onto a caravan. Now the problem is that when you drill a hole, as I've done, and I mean even drilling a hole into this toy caravan which we bought from Marketplace this morning, it hurt. It hurts to drill a hole into something as special as a caravan. Now a lot of people don't mind, and that's good because that's a permanent install, it's a solid install, and it's almost like a set and forget. This thing is on, and then you don't have to think about the antenna again because there's a cable on the inside of your caravan such as this one, and you're good to go, and you always will have an antenna ready to operate when you stop. Or it would even be up and running as you drive, if there's a setup or a purpose where you can use the antenna and the modem as you are traveling along, say a motorhome or so. But a lot of people don't like drilling a hole, short and sweet, and that makes sense as well. In that case, what you would use is the it's called the magnetic MBK-01. So this is a magnet. My English is failing me here, sorry. Magnetic set or magnet set for the MIMO-3 range. So I'm going to just put it on, just show you how it works, and show you how powerful it is using a filing cabinet right next to me. So let me undo my my caravan from this side, and I'll replace my antenna with a well, the actual spigot mount. I'll replace it with a magnet mount and show you how it works. Okay, first I have to undo this one. So just remove the bottom. As I said in the previous video, this is the recovered MIMO-3. So it's not a pretty one. This is one that I recovered from our caravan after a minor incident. But that's fine. It's still useful. It's perfect. The antenna itself is perfect. It's only an antenna engineer that would scrap a caravan and say, just give me my antenna back. That's what we did. I said, that caravan, it's sad that it crashed, but we got the number plate back, and I got my antenna back. Normally, in a new one, it won't be glued yet. This is now a gotcha that I have on my bloody video. Now I have a new one here just to show. On the new ones, there is nothing there. So that's obviously available and ready to use. So you could just put these magnets, which I'll show you, in there without any dramas. Bloody hell, baby. Never work with magnets with one hand, because they stick to everything. So if you have a new one, it's easy. It just clicks in there into place. That's awesome. Okay? But now I'm using an old antenna, so it's not quite as easy, which is fine. I'll deal with that now. So just bear with me. Okay. Now, this is, as I say, a recovered one. I've mentioned it a few times. I'm just saying it again. I exposed the holes. On the new one, these holes are always available, so it's not quite as difficult as I've been doing here. I'll just show it on a new one. So this is a fresh one, but I still need to sell this, so I don't want to just put stuff on there for the sake of putting it on. I would put the magnet in place, and I take one of the screws that come in the back and mount it onto it. And you just do it on all these ones. So you have the screws and you mount it. Easy. That goes in there. All done, easy. That's what I'll do, but I'll do it on the old one so I could just test and demonstrate how good it works. They are rubber, covered by rubber, so it'll be fine. And screwing it in is an interesting one because my screwdriver keeps Okay, so it was harder than I thought it was, and that's actually a good thing because these magnets are just super powerful, and then don't get your fingers in between. You may have noticed I had it at 2 times or so. So I'm going to connect it to this cabinet. So now I have the cable running down the side, nice and flat. You can potentially add the other bridge, which you probably would do in a normal case as well, just there. So it's an immediate cross out. Now the idea is this can go against a metal surface like that. But I'm not sure if you heard that, but that's significant. Actually, that's not going to move. Let me show you. Let me show you what this does. First of all, so the use case is you can put this down. You can put it like you put it in a cupboard, and then when you go outside, you take your antenna, connect it to your modem. So there's the setup now that you will have again. There's my modem. And my modem is connected to the 2 ports. And my modem has its power supply. And just take all the and the power cable. So what you get is, keep this in the cupboard of your caravan, such as this one. And then when you go camping, you set it up, you put this outside temporarily on your caravan. You have this inside or outside on a table connected to a battery or power supply of some sort. Just want to show the power of this battery, this unit here. But before I do that, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, feel free to leave them at the bottom. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and let us know if any of these topics about, specifically I would say pointing antennas or Teltonica routers and any of our 4G kits. We have a home kit, we have the out there or / caravan kits. We're coming up with the marine kits. We, of course, 4-wheel drive, all those scenarios. Or just basic antenna upgrade kits as well, which could be with any router. So using the TS9 pigtails, you can do anything that you really want to do. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. But before I leave, let me just demonstrate how powerful this thing is. There's my setup. There we go. Antenna, everything is in there. If you want to move it around, it's not going to move around. This whole filing cabinet, it's not going to go anywhere. But to lift it off, you just have to turn it like this, then it's got to go. Thanks for watching. It's only an antenna engineer that would scrap a caravan and say, just give me my antenna back. That's what we did.